Yeah. So I did a few years ago. I did a lot of on bol.com, you know, Dutch Amazon, and I retired the ecom for a few years, and now I am. I knew for this already, but for a longer time. But now I am, you know, diving a little bit deeper into it.
Yeah, awesome. So you just got into school. Have you watched some courses yet, or do you have an idea of where to start or when to start?
Yeah, I first wanted to get to watch the group calls, so I get all the Q&As from the people that also start, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Then
Yeah,
I will get yeah.
yeah.
So
That's
that's how I
definitely a
want
good
to
place to
start.
start. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe you have some starting tips for me.
Yeah, just go through all those calls and also through the course, and just start thinking about niches that interest you, like topics that interest you, where you maybe would want to make a channel around. And then in the courses, I have like niche research methods. Really take your time going through a lot of example channels so you understand what is possible in terms of you starting channels in specific niches.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And
Yeah,
then it's
well,
also really important to understand like what type of channels there are. So like listicle channels, just like top 10 channels, or maybe you want to do a news channels or news channel about a topic, or you want to do a documentary channel. Understand what different, like maybe a quiz channel, that's a possibility too. So think about which channels are possible, and then also which topics interest you or something that you maybe want to do, like do a channel around.
okay.
Got
Well,
it?
I'm gonna see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I'm also trying to do something new, so I will look what's
Yeah.
upcoming, you know, for the new format of videos, and I will use that.